Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to us.
Little scurvy worm, stop right there! Why come up here? You just act like the Pirates of the Caribbean. Swing, swing, stab, stab.
Ooh, Andrew, got the classical Wi-Fi enemy. Online, really get any more normal than this?
That is it. You are seriously making me mad. Abracadabra. Pirate phone cake, Dabra.
So, okay, have you heard about ice?
That sounds
Straight word. Blast them into slimy smithereens.
We got ourselves a target.
Missy's got when she gets around. Anyone's watched it lately?
What's up, viewers? Welcome, everybody, to another stream where I mercilessly attack the players inside my Minecraft server. If Jesus was still on Earth, he would do the same thing. He would make a Minecraft server, and he would punish everyone playing it. Is he growing a mustache? No, I don't think that's a mustache. Alright, so, as you can see, I am hiding from the spire. I'm hiding, so you guys can't fucking find me. Everyone meet